Today we will discuss hydraulic intensifier. In intensifier, we will see the working principle of hydraulic intensifier, their principle and their application. So, just start with what is the hydraulic intensifier. It is a device used for producing high pressure liquid by using the energy of larger amount of liquid at low pressure. So it is a device, it is a energy transferring device. We can, in simple words, we can say that energy transferring device. From where it is transferring? From low pressure liquid to high pressure liquids. Here the water is in high quantity, large quantity. Here the water is in very low quantity, and this high pressure liquid is transferred to the hydraulic machines. This high pressure liquid transferred to the hydraulic machines. So this is the all about the working principle of hydraulic intensifier. Now see the components used in hydraulic intensifier: fixed ram, sliding cylinder, fixed cylinder and valves. There are four valves used. One is fixed ram, one is sliding cylinder and one is fixed cylinder. Now see with diagram here. This is fixed cylinder. This cylinder is fixed cylinder. This cylinder is fixed cylinder. Now this is the movable cylinder. This is the movable cylinder. Now this ram is fixed. This ram is fixed ram. There are four valves are used: valve A, valve B, valves D and valve C. Now see the working, how it works. In the first stage, valve D and valve B are open. At the first, valve D and valve B are, both the valves are open. Now from valve D water will enter, and this is the movable cylinder, and due to the large quantity of water accumulated here, this ram will go downward, and the liquid inside this movable cylinder, due to this movement, will go to the machine after compressing. So see how it is going to be compressed. A large quantity of water will produce force on the movable cylinder, and if liquid inside the cylinder get compressed that by that force, and that high compressed liquid, high pressure energy liquid will transfer to the machine, hydraulic machine. Now the latter part of this working of machine, these both the valves are closed. Now valve A and valve C is open. In second stage, valve A and valve C is open. Now when the fluid, low pressure fluid will enter through this valve, when accumulate in this cylinder, this will push upward to this cylinder, and the liquid, those accumulated here, will go to the exhaust, and in another cycle is complete. In another cycle again, A and D is open, again B, valve B and D is open, and in second stage valve A and valve C is open. Very simple working principle. In first stage, water will enter, a large quantity of water from valve D, and small quantity of water will exhaust through this valve B and goes to the machine, and this will be compressed, this will be energized with the help of this movable cylinder, And how this movable cylinder is going downward? Because of the large quantity of force produced by the large quantity of water. So I think you all have understand the working principle, how hydraulic intensifier works. By the large quantity of water, it energized to the small quantity of water. Now types of intensifier: single acting intensifier, as it supplies high pressure liquid during downward stroke only. Double acting intensifier, it gives the continuous supply of high pressure liquid. And this diagram shows the single acting, because in downward action of this movable piston, the high pressure liquid is supplied only downward motion, and in upward motion this valve is closed and only this valve is open. So this is a single acting intensifier. In double acting intensifier, continuous supply. Now see the working of double acting intensifier. Here, in first part liquid is compressed here, in second part liquid is compressed here. And how it works? And continuous supply of water, continuous supply of pressurized by large quantity of water, small quantity of water is being energized. By large quantity of water, small quantity of water is being energized and send it to the hydraulic machine. Just see how it works. So this diagram, this figure shows the double acting intensifier. In double acting intensifier, liquid is being compressed in both the movement of the piston, Now the main important part, application of machine. It is required in hydraulic machines such as hydraulic press, which requires fluid at high pressure and the pump cannot provide fluid. Therefore a hydraulic intensifier is placed in between, which would in this way between the pump and the machine, which would supply high pressure fluids. Here just see pump and intensifier. By this intensifier, here it is pump, the high and pressure energy fluid is transferred to this press, and due to this the press will work. Other application: air operated hydraulic intensifier are used commonly for clamping and holding, punching presses, jack, torque wrenches. Now how we will calculate the force? Just see, some nomenclatures are there. D1 external diameter of the sliding cylinder, D2 external diameter of the fixed ram, A1 cross sectional area of sliding cylinder, A2 cross sectional area of fixed ram, and P1 intensity of pressure of flow, pressurized liquid, low pressure liquid, P2 intensity of pressure of high pressure liquid. Now discharge, Q2 is Q1 A2 upon A1. Discharge, because discharge is constant. See in the figure, discharge from this and from this, discharge is constant. So Q1 A1 is equal to Q2 A2. So by that formula, Q2 is Q1 A2 upon A1, and A2 pi by 4 d square and A1 pi by 4 d1 square. So pi से pi cancel हो जाएगा हमारा. Then Q1 d2 upon d1 square, where now L stroke length of the piston, ये movable ram, A1 L volume of low pressure liquid, A2L volume of high pressure liquid, rate of discharge of low pressure liquid, Q2 rate of discharge of high pressure liquid. So we will calculate both the discharge. So this is all about the calculation of hydraulic intensifier. And thank you. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture. और आपको समझ में आ गया होगा what is hydraulic intensifier, what is the working principle, single acting, double acting, and what are the applications of hydraulic intensifier. Okay, thank you.